Hadirin bakal Sarkar Assam galapan benar bahkan wanrai ke Uniform Civil Code Bill haka Dorbar Assembly haka Arfung Rotrik Ujamang galapan mi ke jekren pajba haka lain ke than chete la mingi jongkari India. Habu jubab halor kani ke bentau Menteri ke Meghalaya Cabinet Lakman Rumbui ulaong baka jingarap ban pinjoi kami ke UCC ha Meghalaya kalong ka ba bah hadu kata-kata nomor kiriti dusturi lum bakar pangjong ke jela kirukom hier pateng bat ki an chong kha chongman. Urumboy uloang bawatlah ka UCC ka long ka way ka benta jong ka directive principal ha ka riti senchar ka ri Henry man ka jela kadon laki jong ki jinglong ha ka imlang salang bat ka riti dustur. Ula pempau baki rit pa tenrai ha Meghalaya ki dang bud iki an tenrai ha ki kamkum ka jingya tho shong kurum jingyo khun jingya benta bat ki jingyo pateng. Menteri uloang ru baka six schedule jong ka constitution kala ai jingya dai ki kom tenrai bat dustur jong ki jai benre trai ri ka bapun longi ka jingya raban pen ki trekam ya ka way ka an patba. Kajing penteri kami ke Common Civil Law kan long kabakam ya ka jela Meghalaya shushu ulaong bagpaj ba jong ka Meghalaya lesi kim long ki balapan kre ha ka jeng mud jeng perkan pen pedang ki kum kini ki jing kala paj ba ka bahe bat kala kansan ha ki an chimat kala banwan ra ka jing ki paj ba ru
is quite different. The tribal laws is there, the tribal inheritance laws is there, the tribal marriage laws is there. So which are already enshrined in the constitution, because the sixth schedule also it is applicable in the state of Meghalaya, where the marriage, the inheritance of the tribal, it is governed by the respective laws. So to be frank with you, it is very difficult for the state of Meghalaya to implement the Uniform Civil Code in the state.
But sir, do you think that it will be beneficial also? There will be sides for, benefiting sides as well from this when it comes to this law?
See, everything there is a pros and cons. There is a benefit, and also there is also the challenges. The challenges in the mindset of the people. How we will suddenly change the way or traditional law apply regarding marriage, regarding inheritance, regarding adoption. So these are the challenges, because you know we the tribal people, we have a very rigid mindset, and it is not very easy for us to change for our mindset. And you must have seen also, for anything for the in the tribal society, it is very difficult to implement the change. So the benefit, it may be there. I have not studied the whole act, the whole thing, but having said that, whether we are ready as a tribal society, as the Meghalayan, whether we are ready, personally I say no, because we have to see the mind of the people, whether they are able to adopt this sudden change or not. So this is the issue which so whether it is beneficial or not beneficial, because this is common the personal law, so to say. So I cannot comment on that. But if you tell that whether we are ready or not, so our mindset is not ready yet.